Hey, good morning everyone. Stockton here from Better Than Data. And today what we're going to go over is how to set up conversion tracking for certain platforms that we are supporting in minutes, which is honestly super cool. And I'm really excited to show you this because you can actually have a super robust conversion tracking setup using Google Tag Manager for certain platforms, super duper fast. And we're providing the training and the templates, which is super cool that I want to show you. So let's jump right in. So where you're going to find this is actually on the Better Than Data website. So if you go and you click on the new free setup tab, or you just go to /free, or follow the link here in YouTube. So betterthandata.com/YouTube. It'll take you to this page where you can choose which platform you want to have this set up for. Once you submit the form, you'll be automatically added to kind of the back end and you'll have access to this course. Now, inside this course, we will go over some conversion tracking principles and then jump right into the specific platforms to have things set up for you super duper fast. Very digestible videos, easy to follow, easy to understand. And at the very end, what I'm super excited about to show is this template where all you have to do is enter in a few different IDs and we'll build a Google Tag Manager template for you that is pre-built, customized with these values. So it's ready to rock and roll. So that's actually what we're going to go through in this video is how we would use this template and actually set everything up super duper fast. So let's do that right now. All right, so we are going to be going through the WooCommerce example. And here in our WooCommerce store, we need to first prep the WordPress side of things very quickly. So what we're going to do is go download a few plugins. So we're going to go plugins, add new. And the one we're going to use for WordPress is called GTM for WP, just like that. So it's this one here, GTM for WP. We're going to install that. And the other one you need to make sure you have is called WP code. So this is taking some sweet time to load. Okay, so we're going to activate this. This is honestly the longest part of the entire setup. It's just waiting for these things to load. Okay, so let's go to our plugins. And the other one you need to make sure you have is this one here, WP code Lite, I guess. So that would look like this. So if we type in WP code, it would be this one by WP code. It has the little blue symbol there. Okay, so let's go back to settings. Settings on the right and go to Google Tag Manager. Sorry, the left. And here we need to enter in our Google Tag Manager ID. So we're going to grab that. So in Tag Manager, we're going to come click on the ID. We're going to copy this, come back to WooCommerce and paste that in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to turn container code to off because we're actually going to install the GTM code in the other plugin. So we're going to hit save changes here. And then let's go to code snippets, header and footer. And this is where we're going to grab the full codes here and paste those in. Okay, so grab both of those, paste them in just like that. Boom. Okay. Now, last kind of configuration step here in Google Tag Manager for WordPress is we need to go to Settings, Integration, go under WooCommerce and choose Track Enhanced E-commerce, turn that to on. And then we want to add cart details in data layer. And we also want to include customer and order details in the data layer. So we're going to turn those on and hit save. Okay. And then all we have to do now is come to our little lesson here that has the pre-built container, and we're going to add in the different IDs. So let's grab the GA4 measurement ID. So we'll come to the GA4 account, we'll go to admin, data streams, choose the data stream. So click on it, just click anywhere and then grab the measurement ID. So we're going to copy that, come back to here, paste in the measurement ID. We can also grab our pixel ID. So let's just go to here. Let's copy our pixel ID, paste that in. We're going to not get like the exact values for the conversion ID and conversion label, but you would want to obviously add those in for your store to have that conversion tracking set up nice and quick. So then we're going to hit download. Okay, it downloaded this pre-built customized container for us. Now all we need to do is come back to Tag Manager, go to Admin, import the container, choose the file, choose this one right here, we'll hit open. Existing workspace, default workspace. We're going to merge so we don't blow everything out, so make sure you merge, hit confirm. And now you can see all of a sudden all of the different tags, triggers, and variables that we have, and everything is set up for you already and it's customized. So if we go look at the Facebook page view, for example, it's referencing this constant Facebook variable. And if we go and look at that variable, we'll see constant FP pixel ID. It is actually already filled in with the correct value. Same with this GA4 measurement ID. We can have our pre-filled customized value. And so this container is now ready. All we have to do is hit submit and publish these changes to have our conversion tracking set up on WooCommerce in minutes. So here we go. Let's say conversion tracking. Just like that, it is published. So now this is on the website. Everything is good to go. And the platforms we support this kind of integration with right now is currently WooCommerce, ThriveCart, and Shopify. If you want to see your platform here, just let us know and we are happy to add it. So that's all for this one. See you in the next video.